Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Toyota Supra in Lego. First, let's gather our essential Lego bricks. You'll need a good selection of basic pieces, such as 2x4 plates and 1x2 bricks, to form the car's foundation. Make sure you have a variety of colors, especially red, black, and white, to capture the iconic Supra look. Sorting your pieces beforehand will make the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's build the car's chassis. Start by constructing a sturdy base using larger plates, aiming for a size of about 6x12 studs. This provides a solid foundation for your Supra. Next, build up the sides with 1x2 and 1x4 bricks to create the initial body shape and ensure structural integrity. Finally, attach 4 wheels to the base, making sure they spin freely for a realistic touch. With the base complete, it's time to add the distinctive body details. Create the sloped hood and windshield using wedge plates to capture the Supra's aerodynamic profile. Incorporate small pieces for side mirrors and a rear spoiler to give it that authentic, sporty styling. Finish by adding smooth tiles to the car's exterior, which will give your Lego Supra a sleek and polished appearance, just like the real thing. For the final touches, install headlights and taillights using transparent colored bricks to bring your Supra to life. Consider placing a minifigure in the driver's seat to complete the scene and add a sense of scale. Your easy Lego Toyota Supra is now ready to display. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Show off your creation to friends and family, or even customize it further with more advanced techniques.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.